Why did it do that? Hmm. Hey, what's up? Hmm. Yeah, I can't believe that, dude. That is just that's insane, man. That's insane. I don't know what the heck that was about. I don't know what the hell that was about, man. Mm. Okay. You doing the are you on the funded side or are you still on the eval side, Santiago? Mm. Yeah, I can't believe that, dude. Can't believe that. Of course. Whatever the hell it is. Mm. You know, honestly, I thought about this morning. Those intraday daily payout accounts, in theory, they sound nice for me, but my trading style doesn't align with those types of rules. So I figured that, you know what, it's gonna stay away from those types of accounts anyway. I'll just keep doing what I was doing with the 5 days. I don't trade big size, so having a daily account doesn't necessarily mean anything to me. I thought long and hard about this. I like the idea of a daily payout, but it goes against my trading style. I just had I was in this ES long earlier and my trailing stop for whatever reason I lost. I didn't get the full amount that I needed. And I go back in to try to get it and I lose $400. And here I am trying to make the money back that I just lost on the ES. Mm. Hopefully the ES holds here. The Nasdaq is dropping off of a cliff though. Yeah. And that's the best way to play it. It's only at 5 points, basically. Looks like I'm not gonna get it. Hold on, not so fast. No, where is it bouncing at? Oh, okay, okay, yeah. It's bouncing at the opening candle. You know how many times the ES hit my break even? And ES hit my break even about 20 times just now. Oh yeah, I can't. This thing hit my break even about like 20 times just now. Come on, ES. Push this shit, man. Push it. About damn time, dude. And that's exactly how much I need. Okay. All right. All right, so I'm done in this account. Let me cancel all these orders. All right, so I made money in both of my funded accounts this morning. I'm so happy about that. Oh man, wow, look at that drop, dude. All right, so that was my Tradeify funded account this morning. Just made the maximum daily profit in that account. Silver paid your boy this morning. Me and my boo, Silver. She paid your boy. I set my limit. Honestly, I came back and saw some green on the screen. I just locked this. Hey man, hey, you got some competition. Our girl came in here talking about who you talking about your boo? My girl's Silver, man. Oh shit, good thing I took those. Good thing I readjusted my profit target. If I got greedy in that, man, that would have been it would have just dropped right back down to my break even. Okay. All right, let me make sure that I'm not in. Let me get out that account. All right. All right, let's go to the Nasdaq. All right, so what's the Nasdaq?
We trade.
When New York opens, all we trade is Nasdaq. Nasdaq. When New York opens, all we trade is Nasdaq. Shit, honestly, it's telling me to go short, but man, I don't know. He said buyers are failing at POC.
I hate shorts. I hate shorts. I hate them. I hate them. I hate them. It's just not how they used to be.
Are you in this short?
I am. They're so stressful. I hate shorts.
Yeah, I mean, just be prepared. You already, because I know you don't want to hear this, but let's see what they do here at see what they do here.
I don't know. It's like it'll drop and then it'll give up the whole move. I hate that.
Yeah, I mean,
I just gotta take profits because, yeah, let's just take some profit. Look at it, giving up half the candle.
Yeah, I mean, it's bouncing at the leg that broke structure. It's bouncing there. That's why I was like, yeah, let's see what they do here. Yeah, they you see the at the low, it took the liquidity at that low, and then this is the leg that break structure. It pulled back into that leg, and I mean the bears got to hold this, but we'll see.
Yeah, it was actually a good pump from the bottom.
Yeah.
Got over 100 points if you caught it.
Keywords. If you caught it. But everybody else, I mean, I guess if we're going to think about this from a psychological point, everybody that missed that pump, What are they doing right now? What is on their mind? What are they doing?
Oh my gosh, I hate shorts. Can't even short comfortably anymore. Like, dang.
Like, nope, some days are over.
Like, no confidence in it. It's like, oh yeah, I should be good for about 150, 200 points. Nah, no, you're not.
Just looking at silver right now. Man, silver looking real bad right now, man. She's looking
Silver
real bad
looking
right
like
now.
a baddie. She a baddie. She'll take your money.
My boy Smith introduced us. Try this chart. Try this chart.
Charts for everyone.
That was a good trade.
You get this chart. You get this chart. Let's see what my friend BBS is saying. We got some dark pool volume we're going into. I think that's why we're getting some pushback on this. Let me see. We got 721 calls. Yeah, I think that's why we're getting pushback right here. So I should probably exit stage left. $722 puts, 719 calls. Fuck.
Yeah, dude. Like I said, man,
I
this
hate
area
short
is what
now.
got you.
They just turn shorting and it's not fun anymore. It's so miserable shorting. Dang, man.
Yeah, look at all those commissions on Tradeify. I made $950 this morning, and I'm only getting paid $862. I paid $100 in commission on that. That is insane. That is insanity.
Yeah, that is wild. Short and peace. I just want short and peace.
Yeah. Oh yeah, Smith. I just noticed this. I'm surprised Santiago didn't say anything. Or maybe you did. Let me see. The Nasdaq took out pre-market. The liquidity underneath the pre-market lows. All right. Santiago says, "Hey, yo, what's up, Investor Z?" All right, so Santiago, hold on. What did he say? He says, "You see where the ES is?" Oh, okay, yeah. Yep. That's actually where my entry was. My entry was literally right here. So that opening candle for on both sides of the market, the Globex open and the New York open. I wonder if this works. Have you tried looking at the Asia, like every session, what candle or the candle for every session open? Does the market come back and respect that? Excuse me.
Bless you. No.
Yeah, the ES literally bounced at that opening candle. If you got in at the opening candle, I mean, shit, you got the move higher. Like I said, I was here. I I was in this candle. And
Yes. All right. Let me get out of this while I still got
some profit. Yeah.
Like pushing my break even. Yeah, let's just get out of this while it's still something.
You can always trail it.
Something. And then watch this mess dump. If it dumps, I will be highly upset. So it better pump.
The ES is at a spot where it could dump, so that's why I was like trail. Just trail it. It could dump. That doesn't mean that it will, but it could.
I mean, there's not many calls and puts on the board right now, surprisingly. And we don't have, it's not like it's a heavy, we have like no news.
Mm-hmm. Because I mean, if we go from the pre-market, if we measure the pre-market low and the pre-market high, right now price is underneath. Well, shit, you can see it right here. Price is underneath the range. It ran a liquidity underneath this range. So if it holds 800, 780, then we can push. If it holds. All right, looks like I said, if the ES breaks this level right here, then yeah, we're gonna go higher. If it breaks. So I'm watching the ES right now, as always. Dang, Alfred. Stop telling the secrets. I'm just grateful that I was able to make some money in the funded account, and I was able to make that run last night. Yeah, shit. If y'all took that trade last night and let it run, I mean, I came back and looked at the charts and saw the BS NQ did before it hit it, but like, actually, this is also what I wanted to show you guys. Don't ever let nobody tell you that like the lines on your chart, you think the market's gonna respond to the lines on your chart. Look at how the market responded to my lines. Actually, what is that?
That's the reason why I got out. It came back and touched break even like 2 or 3 more times.
I did it
before it actually made the move.
Don't ever let nobody tell you the lines on the charts don't work. They work. The market literally bounced off of it, bounce, break. The bears, I mean, it didn't touch it for the short, but it almost did. And then it ran all the way up to my target, like that BS that NQ always does, man. So, I mean, if I was watching this, I'd have been like, oh shit, maybe I'm wrong. But of course, it was just the Nasdaq being the Nasdaq. I mean, if you look at this as a liquidity right here, this is a range. The Nasdaq ran that range right there, and then it used this range to hit my profit target. My stop was at this was at the opening candle right here. My stop was literally at the top because my entry was right here. But okay. All right, so ES broke that level. If you're not trailing her out, I would get out.
Been out of that short, man.
Oh, you been out of it?
Yeah. Oh, I bought 2? Oh my gosh. Let me close this ish. I did not mean to do that. Damn it, Kraken. Yeah, let's close out that. That's not safe. Why is it 2?
Well, I guess now we wait. This is probably the most difficult part of trading, is that coming down off of a high. That's the most difficult part. We had a nice run, and now we have to wait till the market set itself up again. You say you're waiting? Yeah. So the opening range has been formed officially on the ES. We all know that the Nasdaq doesn't care about the opening range, but the ES does. The Nasdaq cares about the initial balance. That's why I use SD2 for a target.
Now I'm mad. Damn it. I get in 2 cons on accident. Oh, that's not safe. I should have just scaled out 1. Dang. Now she rips. Trade management.
Well, shit, wow.
Trade management.
All right, so I'm in queue. I mean, I wouldn't have gotten stopped out here, but the market decided to do that BS. Would have stopped me out and then pushed up. Or it would have been close to stopping me out, actually. Would have been close. You would have been close. That would have been, that's too close for comfort, honestly. And then you already know I would have probably, well, I don't think so. No, Nasdaq, you don't necessarily need to.
Tap me in, coach. No! You bastard. You're supposed to tap me in. Put me in the game, coach. I hate this market.
Well, if you wait for a pullback, I know, man. Okay. Hey, just
Damn. 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 That's all I can say.
Kevin Hart down. Damn. That would have been injustice. Oh yeah, and can you unwrap her? She's sitting down. Okay. Okay. She knows. She's supposed to be asleep.
Damn. Damn. Stupid noises that this platform's making. $29,891.
Well, okay, this is what I'll do. How much is?
Wow. Wow. Fumble. 719 all the way to freaking 890. It'll come back.
Baby,
It'll come back and fill your order.
Where's your
It
order?
will. 841. It'll come back.
The market will continue to go up for sure.
Damn it. Damn it. Looks like they're getting their calls. 722 calls, 721, 719. Oh yeah, they eaten. They haven't closed out yet. On up there. Do I got orders on the board somewhere? I still leave orders up.
$150, huh?
Well, I'm cooked for the day
What do you mean
with a
cook?
missed opportunity.
Oh,
29.9.
how much is it?
That sucks.
They ain't over. I ain't hearing no bell. But you just have
It's
to.
pretty much for me.
Yeah, you just kind of just missed this opportunity. And the crazy thing is, you had that is interesting though. Like that's interesting. I mean, if you're gonna turn lead into gold here, you accidentally opened up two contracts that just worked, but you closed it.
I did. Yeah, I opened it up at 810 for the long.
Mm-hmm.
I was only trying to go in one though.
Mm-hmm.
I wasn't trying to do two. I probably should have just sold the one and then just let it run. But it didn't work out that way.
Yeah. Yeah, that's interesting because again, you were quick to close a winning trade, but there are situations where you get into a bad trade and you will stubbornly hold it. I mean, what do you think the difference is between those two situations?
Well, difference is that wasn't planned. Like I said, I was only trying to go in one, but I should have just sold the one instead of closing the whole thing. But at the time, price was kind of going crazy, so I just wanted to get out quickly before any pain commenced. And then holding a bad trade, that's just hopium and being stubborn.
Like $150 of risk. That's 6 trades. Okay. Well, right now, the only thing that we can do is wait for the pullback. That's all we can do. Can't do anything else. If we get into this thing aggressively, you already know what's going to happen. As soon as we get into it aggressively, we might as well fade ourselves another account because it's going to go down.
Yep, Clap City.
Clap City, bitch. Clap City, bitch. There goes the clapping right there. But price is coming up to the 21 EMA, but I doubt it though. I got the sniffles today. Oh wow. I mean, it missed
Baby,
it, but it was in the area.
Baby, come back.
You said you were trying to get in at 41, right? There's a stacked imbalance at 41. It's a stacked imbalance, but it's bouncing at the point of control of the previous candle at 56. But I don't know. I mean, it's bouncing at 56, so I mean, obviously the market is trying to buy there. But the point of control for of the previous candle before the breakout, I'm gonna watch to see how the market reacts around 813, because that's where the point of control is before we had the breaker structure to the upside. So that could be a hot spot, 813.
Look at the ES. She is just unstoppable.
Yeah. And mom, the ES is trending again. She's doing that thing again, being the stronger asset. I mean, at this point, man, like I said, the only bad side about the ES is that sometimes it just doesn't go all the way. Like, it hit my target right here, but if I wanted a bigger move, this thing came literally right back to my break even, and I would have been negative for like 2 seconds after being up about $800. So I'm gonna get in around 813. Let me see what they do around 813. Like I said, that's where point of control is. Excuse me.
Get up and drink, money, so you don't choke. Do you want bacon?
$82. I mean, if you're scalping, that's okay. Let's jump in on the bay. Okay. The market made a lower low in price. It's rejecting from that 1 hour imbalance. It's rejecting from that 1 hour bearish imbalance right now. Hey, Smith, have you looked at the 60K chart?
I have not.
Look at the 60K chart.
Dang, I gotta log into this other account just to check that out. No.
You don't lie. Well, okay, here's what I'll do. I'll get in 3 contracts. I'll get in 3. This is definitely a gamble. The 60K chart, at least that candle is bearish, but structure on the smaller time frame is bullish right now. All right, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna put 3 contracts here. All right, it's not gonna give me shit.
Oh
I
my
did it.
gosh.
I did it.
Oh my goodness. What the
I did it. Never mind.
what?
I was trying to get it in the. I was trying to do it. No, Nasdaq, you bitch. You bitch. What? Nasdaq, no, come back, please, no. 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 Come back, please. No. No. No, that was like 150 points or something. That was 50 points just right there. No.
Bastard. That was so unnecessary.
I know,
My
dude.
goodness.
Dude, I know, man. Like that is, I know.
I guess I should have had my thing lower.
Oh, hold on, it stopped you out.
Yeah, it stopped me out.
I was trying to get in there. I don't know, where'd you get in at? At 41? Yeah, you got in at 41.
Yeah, and it actually. Wait, how's that possible?
You caught that short, Santiago? Silver just pushed.
All right, now you just gotta go. Oh my gosh, look at gold. Oh,
Something just
no.
happened. No wonder why it was so quiet. Something happened. My bad, guys. The squawk box is not connected. Something happened. Because silver is going. And you said gold is going?
Yeah, it's up 30 points right now.
Yeah, silver just blasted.
30-point candle.
Blasted higher just now.
These markets, man.
Yep, Santiago. I was actually scrambling to put my limit order literally right there at the midpoint. Scrambling. It's like, hurry, sis. Master. Sure, I'm trying to get in at the 50% of the opening candle. What do we do? Wick down. And then immediately push back up. That was a 50, 60 point move right there. Just like that. Just like that, man. Let me see if I can get another taste. If silver gonna give me another taste. Yeah, silver just basically pushed higher. My God. I wonder. Should I fade silver? Should I fade this move? Let me look at it.
No.
Should I fade the move?
No.
Silver basically is trading into that area.
What the duck?
Okay, I'll help and put. I'll help and put. I'll help, then I'll blow your house down. He helped and put. He helped and put. Then he blew the house down.
Take us to the promised land, yes.
Take us to the king. 90. Take us to the king. We don't have much to bring.
All right. Oh, I'm about to close it. But yeah, it dropped down. So I set the ID, got the high, the low, the 50, 75%, 25, all that good stuff. It ran down to the 50. It exceeded it a little bit, but that's what wicks do. Liquidity grabs. But if I would have just placed my order there, that would have been a nice little come up versus where I am now. Now, man, at 43, I'm literally in at like my VWAP is. But we're not getting that push that I want to see. ES is. NQ, of course, is lagging.
Nasdaq, that was so dirty, man. That was dirty, Nasdaq. That was so dirty. All right, so we got the new initial balance. So the initial balance has been officially formed on the chart. We'll see what happens here. We have to respect the initial balance. I mean, I guess you really don't have to respect it, but you will wish that you did. Thank you.
Okay. I did it. Hello. Okay.
Okay. We're at the initial balance range. It bounced to that level.
Join the dark side. Yes, man. And then that just like last night, oh gosh, it ticked me off so bad. Oh my goodness, what's going on now? What are we doing? It's like you could see in the candle structure and everything and the price action that NQ wanted to drop.
Yeah.
But because ES was pushing, it was just like, all right, I have no choice but to follow the leader. And that's what was so frustrating.
Yeah.
Just follow the leader.
Yo, congratulations on that, Santiago. And yeah, you kind of have to do it that way. I mean, that's why I'm good on the intraday accounts, the end of day accounts. I'm not the end of day accounts, the daily takeout accounts, payout accounts. I'm good on those. I'll just trade my 5 days. Just take my payout and do it again. Hold on, guys. Daughter's acting.
So looks like we kind of made back. Did it get me out at 26? Is that where I had my? No, I had my stop like way lower. I think it stopped me out at 26. I don't know. I have to go back and look at trades. Did it stop me out? No, it got me out at 808. So it pushed me lower. That's horrible. My stop was at, I think, 13. And it pushed it down to 808 on that super wick down. Anyway, lots of fumbling going on. I should probably just take this and go call it a good day. Today was a good day.
Yeah.
Since we struggling. We got IB high at 29.9 on the dot.
You know what's crazy? On Ninja Trader 8, I have 985.
985 or 895? Wait, 885.
Yeah.
Hold on, I'll be back.
Or never mind. My bad. I was looking at the high of the day. My bad. Just looking at the high of the day here. Well, I mean, I think we can probably get a run on the highs here. But it's going to fail. I think this price action was just a big bull trap.
So it's trying to translate this video then. So what it says, you had the foreign spokesperson minister saying that a spokesperson for foreign ministry of Iran said we can reach an understanding with Oman, which is not far off. So it's a repeat of what's been said before in regards to the deal between Iran and Oman and managing Strait of Hormuz.
Okay. We'll see what happens here. We'll see what happens. Where my limit orders are in the chart. All right, we'll see. We will see. Damn, yo. I hate that that happened to you, Alfred. But boy, does these small little concepts tend to show up in every aspect of our lives, man. It's the accounts that we don't care about are the ones that go far. The ones we put on a pedestal, those are the ones that run away from us. And boy, does that concept show itself in every aspect of our lives, especially in relationships. But I mean, if you really think about it, it's a relationship between you and this account. So I mean, I guess it's the same thing. But yeah, I hate that happened, man. And just like in pure NQ fashion, she bounces right after she takes that account away, man. It's just so crazy that
Also,
she does that.
from the Foreign Ministry spokesperson, it says that the US's escalating actions are still ongoing. The possibility of people being able to say that the strait has been secured depends on how the other side compensates for its previous violations in the next stages. And also saying how its forces are actually, how they actually stop their actions and their military aggression.
I mean, as long as you got something to fall back on. But yeah, isn't that crazy? You said it in the sentence, but it's so crazy, man. I stopped trading the ones. That's why I only take one trade a day. For whatever reason, unless this account is designated for entertainment purposes, and that means I'm taking multiple trades just purely for entertainment purposes. If it's not designated as an account like that, I only take one trade a day. That's it. And every time I break that rule, last week, y'all guys saw me up on silver. I was up about $900 on silver, and I told myself, there's no way I can blow this. Man, I gave back that money and then hit my daily loss limit. I was high on that win. I wanted another taste. I wanted another taste. So I made up a setup in my head just so I can get into a trade. And instead of allowing the risk to reward to play out, I foolishly readjusted my stop with my $900 P&L in mind because I didn't want to miss the move. I didn't want to get wigged out. And that $900 was gone. Just like that. And the market kept going too, so it was obvious that I just made that shit up in my head. Just to be able to take a trade. So you got another eval to start over? Yeah, see, yeah, that's the reason, Alfred, right there. That is the reason. I'm not doing daily payout accounts. It's hard to justify not getting a payout every day. And if you're justifying getting a payout every day, and then you're forcing trades for the most part, or you're holding too long or whatever, because you have to justify in your mind why you got the daily account. And then if you get a daily account and you trade more than one day, you're getting paid out like every 4 or 5 days, and then you're telling yourself, well, shit, I should have just got the other account. And these firms know that. They know your thought process. They do test runs. They talk to people. They understand what a trader is going through. They pay millions of dollars to figure this information out. They know. I'm not saying anything new. It's just hard not to justify getting a payout every day on a daily payout account. Yeah, and I think that's exactly what I do, Alfred. So moving forward, I'm gonna have my Lucid account, but I'm more gonna be focused on Tradify and Top Step. And the reason why I'm gonna focus on Tradify and Top Step is because I can trade the 5 days and I can just take the 50% of that balance without having to worry about a buffer. Tradeify does have a buffer, but it's not. You can like once you pass the buffer, it's like Top Step. Once you pass the buffer, you can withdraw from it, and that's what works best for me. I don't like making the extra money. I don't like getting over a buffer and everything over the buffer I can take out as a payout. I don't like that model. It looks like we're only going to get one trade today. Looks like we're only going to get one trade. Everything is just shooting higher today.
Come on, NQ, catch up to what? Catch up to ES. What are you doing? This is what I'm talking about. Look at the ES and look at the NQ.
Yeah.
Wow. Just wow. NQ should be at like 30K.
Also,
by
Iran's
now.
foreign ministry spokesman
The
to
way
Arab
ES
News says
going.
negotiations with Oman have faced repeated attempts of sabotage and disruption.
That just means she'll catch up later.
So what? We should. Damn, ES is like that. Damn. I just looked at the ES chart.
Told you.
Oh, I thought you took the trade on ES.
No, I'm in NQ. You know that.
Oh, I thought you said what?
Begrudgingly, I'm in NQ. I should be in ES. The way it's looking, the way it's moving.
I thought you said, "All right, ES, take me to the king." I thought that meant.
No, I just meant ES. Like, take us there. Help NQ out a little bit, like you've been doing. Like last night, that must piss me off. I'm just over all of this. And this has been going on for days. It's not like it's the first time where it's like, all right, well, NQ's lagging ES. ES is king right now. Steady pushing, and NQ's just lacklusterly like, well, okay, I guess I'll go higher if ES is going. If ES is going to the dance, I guess I'll go. But she is severely underperforming right now, and it's pissing me off. Because I did get back in long. Granted, not at the spot that I would have liked to get back in long, but still. Alright, I'm about to just close this. But it's like, alright, if I see ES pushing NQ will have to get there eventually.
You would think that.
It was like, dang, how much longer you gonna make me wait?
Well, again, we have to take into effect that the Nasdaq hasn't tested the initial balance, but it is right there at 900. The Nasdaq is not historically good at breaking out from it the first time. You can target it, but it doesn't break out of it the first time usually, unless we have like a Trump pump or something.
Trump been mad quiet lately.
Trump, we need you. We need
Save
you.
us.
It looks like everything's selling off except ES. So ES is being super resilient right now. But ES did ran those
Israel's
highs.
Channel 12 says US continues to reduce the number of refueling aircraft operating from Ben Gurion Airport. The number of refueling personnel is now
I've had
approaching the
enough of
levels seen during the
NQ.
ceasefire period,
So tired
when there
of
were
your
only about
BS.
20 refueling personnel at the airport.
Trump, save us, please.
All right, so we could see a drop here, bro. Like it ran liquidity at the highs on ES.
Save us. Yeah. That's why I got out of my position. Yep. Yep.
We'll see what happens at we'll see what happens at the orb, or see what happens at this high at 785. We'll see what happens. Might be 785, maybe 786, somewhere in that area, maybe. We don't ever know, because it broke past that high, so it could pull back to 786, and we could see a reaction. We'll see. The 50 EMA is sitting at 785 on the ES. All right, let's see.
Heartbreaks. That might be it. If it holds the 9. Got me hating the NQ and the ES for different reasons. Wow.
You hate the NQ? The NQ slander? What? All right, let's see if the ES holds here. We'll see.
She better, damn it. That's the biggest down candle I've seen on ES in a while.
Yo, congratulations on that, Santiago. And yeah, this is some weird PA. I mean, the PA itself is weird, but the structure is in. So I mean, I guess if you trade within this range, you just set your limits. But if you try to trade outside of structure, yeah, it's weird. Because it just
Arab News reporting that appointments of several high-ranking military commanders in Iran will be issued by its supreme leader, and they said that will be released in a few hours.
724 puts.
I know I saw
S&P 500 quickly pairing gains, Nasdaq 100 turning negative now.
$74 candle drop.
All right, I guess we'll see.
No.
Baby, come back. You can blame it on me. I was wrong, and I just wanna break even. I just wanna break even. You know what? I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try here, man. I'm gonna try. I'm getting in. I'm getting in long here. I'm getting long. I'm gonna try. Because I don't think the market is going to. Because I'm looking at the VWAP band, and it pushed at the VWAP band. So I'm gonna get in. I'm gonna try here. Oh yeah, and it's right there at that opening candle again, huh? But what I won't do is, if I think the market's gonna bounce here, I'm not gonna give it too much room for me to be wrong. I just need it to bounce here.
Damn. Yeah, they're trying to cook my account. They're trying.
Well, you know, he did it.
He bought.
He went all in.
He went all in.
Okay. All right. All right, NQ. I'm trusting you here. I'm trusting you here in NQ. Take us to the king. We don't have much to bring, but take us there. All right. He'll probably bounce that projected VWAP banner or something like that. So price is struggling at the VWAP value area is what people call it.
Come on, yes, you don't gotta go down to your orb high. You don't gotta do it. Cause you're gonna take NQ with you. We don't need it.
All right, how much capital am I risking? I hate when. I think I'm risking 200 bucks here. But
200 EMs.
damn.
According to reports here, Chinese Long March 7A rocket appears to break apart after liftoff.
I'm risking 200 EMs.
A good entry is literally where my stop is. I hate when that happens, man. I hate that so freaking much.
Let's do with space.
No. I'm on my last leg here. Please, baby, please. No. I'm getting cooked in real time. Baby, please come back. You could blame it on me. Oh no, she's okay. I gotta do it. Oh no, like F liquidated.
Watch it bounce now. Watch it bounce. Watch it
Oh,
bounce.
blocked it off. No.
Watch it bounce, dude. Sorry that happened to you, bro.
Yeah.
Watch it bounce, bro.
No way.
Fucking off.
Okay.
He's done it.
He went all in. Give him hope. Make it run to his break even. And then dump it.
And then dump it. Okay. So this was my original entry that I should have stuck with. Should have stuck with this original entry right here. Trusting VWAP bands. And it did bounce to the VWAP band, so I figured well, let me try it out this one time. And I should have just stuck with my original entry.
No flipping way.
Yeah. Sorry about that, bro.
No way. Oh my gosh.
Dude,
Close
that is
enough. We did it.
dude. Dude.
We did it. Oh my gosh.
I mean, it's not funny, but dude, that is fucking crazy. You gotta laugh at a situation like that. Okay, Bogdanov, you got it. You got it.
That is something else.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know where it goes though, but yeah.
Just let the dust settle. Yeah, weird price action, no news. So my entry was 808. And then I ended up with a bunch of heartbreak. 808s and heartbreaks. Well, now I got a revenge trade.
JP Morgan leads
Get an Apex
$441 million
complex.
debt deal for tech firm
Nope.
Global AI.
I gotta get it back. Here's what we're gonna do. I'll be back in the game within a few minutes.
Coming back in,
Thanks.
coach. Coming back
Instant
in.
Thanks to instant deposits. How much should I go with though? So, oh crap.
Oh, the Nasdaq. Nasdaq, how you could be so heartless? How could you be so heartless? Nasdaq, how can you be so heartless? How can you bounce after liquidating our guy Smith and stopping me out? I just had a feeling that my original entry was right. What I was hoping, or like I said, the reason why I changed is because of that VWAP band bounce. It initially bounced at the VWAP band right here. and it ran the liquidity underneath that previous candle where we got that push back higher. So I figured, well, maybe it wants to run the liquidity underneath that low for to move higher, even though it look crazy, but I guess I should have just stuck with it. I should have just stuck with it. Oh me, I don't know, she's on. We said that we want to speak some mommy at 3 a.m. on the phone. But you don't really know this thing.
Boom, 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 boom. Ouch. Leg. 2382. Boom, 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 boom. Should I just trade ES instead of dealing with this BS up in Q?
Bro, kid, you sure? Please tell me it ain't so. This market's about to rotate higher.
So,
Bears did get to eat. Y'all ate right here. Yeah, y'all ate right here. Bears got to eat this morning already. I got to feed y'all Cubs. Well, we do got that trend line break though, so I kind of figure why he's saying that.
somewhere far.
So what we get done. Just having fun, and we don't care who sees. So what we go on, that's how it's supposed to be. Living young and free. At least you're not trying to short the ES. The ES ain't trying to hear none of that. ES ain't trying to hear none of that. Cubs. Shorts. But I mean, the shorts may work, like I said, because it ran the liquidity. It ran pre-market highs, and then we saw this dump. So it could drop. Ah, man.
Bogdanov, he's back. We trapped him again.
He redeposited. Let the game continue.
He's back. Yes, what do we do? Dump it. But sir. Oh, so gold just had that little 30-point run and that was it, huh? What the freak?
Oh man, you trying to revenge trade in gold? Man, bro.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, I was like,
I
please
just have
don't.
to look up and see it. Yeah, that's just asking for trouble.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
At least with this a 50-50 chance.
Yeah. Gold had that double top at the highs. And yeah, now you're seeing a drop. Yeah, seeing a drop. Well,
Potential for more downside. Yes, there is.
excuse me. Well, Rutkit, we do have the EMAs flattening out here. We do have the 21 and the 50 slope down. So I mean, you could get what you want. I just hope that it doesn't get there yet. Hopefully we can get a TP first, and then after it hits my TP, I don't care what it does after that. But then that means if I get a TP, that means that where are you short at? Are you short at the highs or? Hate for you to be on the other side. I need that liquidity though for the TP.
That liquidity, I need that.
That liquidity, I need that. Yeah, I'm long. I'm long at I limited in at 774. I have a scale in at 76 or 760, and my stop is at 46.7. Sure, at 820. Oh shit. Well. Oh, 820. Yeah. It's working so far, damn it.
Oh my goodness. Locked enough. Dang, they want to take this thing lower before they go higher, huh?
Yeah, my boy Rugkid might be right. I hate when other people are right and I'm wrong. I hate it. I was right for like 2 seconds, man. If I was right for 2 seconds. It just didn't hit a TP. I was up about 50 points in that move, but you know how that 50 points ain't nothing. Especially when we trade in the nanos, that ain't gonna be shit. Apparently, that's only going $25, so we know we ain't taking no profits at no 50 points.
I was about to say $25 right there. You might be able to get a fry at Five Guys.
Might, yeah, might.
A large fry. Yeah, so many spots I could have gotten in that would have been better. Now that I'm looking at it in hindsight, you got value area right there. That one would have really been good. That's 719 for it to pop all the way up to 29. Yeah, it's almost a full 200 points almost.
Yeah. Sucks. Yeah.
According to Nikkei, Japan aims to ease startup fundraising with looser lending rules.
Do, 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 do. Oh, y'all don't want to buy.
Yeah, if I got in right there, that would have been, yeah.
It's only like 10, 15.
I'm gonna let this thing run. I'm gonna let it run. I mean, Red Kid, I don't think it's dumb. She just had. I mean, I feel like it's just more. It's gonna be more stressful. It's just gonna be stressful to be short.
Yeah, how I was short earlier. You just gotta take your profits when you see a decent return, because, like I said, I hate shorting this market now because nothing follows through. Like it doesn't, unless obviously you were short like pre-market way up here.
So as soon as this month, Japan's
like
financial services
29,
agencies to discuss
980
legislative
or
amendments
whatever.
during general meeting of Financial System Council.
We don't get no real follow through anymore. in the New York session. Don't get me started on London.
I don't trade London, so I don't know.
You get into London, you might as well just short.
Really?
It'll work itself out. Actually, today they did drop it, but it was a liquidity sweep, and then they pumped it up a little bit past the high, and then they were like, okay, that's enough of that. Let's begin our short. We're gonna switch it up this time, fellas.
We have posted out the article from Nikkei Asia. Again, Japan aims to ease startup fundraising with looser lending rules.
And short they did.
Just a little bit of context to add to that then from the article. It said that loans to fledgling Japanese companies fell 10% last year.
Yes, take us higher. Can we get much higher? So now I think maybe now we gear up to go higher.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe. It's kind of looking, feeling like that, but we gotta see follow through. Get much higher.
I will do it this week. I will do it. I will follow all of my rules. I will follow all of my trading rules this week. I will do it. I will. Trump. Man, this candle is looking like Trump is about to tweet something, man. It's looking like a Trump tweet candle right here.
The Strait of Hormuz is open. That'd be bad for oil.
Yeah.
What's oil sitting at? Out of curiosity.
ISNA just says the majority of ships have passed through the Iranian route in the Strait of Hormuz.
About 80.
Wow.
80.
Wow. Did y'all guys hear that? Did y'all just hear that?
What?
Well, I'm pretty sure you didn't hear
that,
Smith, but you just said something about we just opened the Strait of Hormuz, and then the Squawk Box just said we had some oil tankers go through the Strait of Hormuz just now, as literally after you just said it.
ISNA also reports that more ships transit the Bab el-Mandeb Strait, which connects the Red Sea to the Indian Ocean, with approximately 116 ships passing through it.
The strait is open. I did it. I convinced Iran to open the strait. I'm the greatest.
There's no one better than me. Maybe Sherm, but other than Sherm, you should check his stream out. It's awesome.
It's awesome.
Probably the best streams. Probably the best that's ever done it. You can always count on your boy Sherm.
I support Smith and Sherm. No one else. All these other streamers out there, it's fake news.
As a reminder, at the bottom of the hour, give the US 3-month and 6-month bill auctions. 3-month bill prior bid cover of 2.61, and prior high yield of
Clap City B, clap
3.75%.
City B.
6-month prior bid cover of 2.98, prior
Break
high
even
yield
B,
of
let me break even B.
3.855%. So right now the US is looking to sell
Hey, I'm in a
$92
worse.
billion
How did I
of
get in a
3-month
worse
bills,
position than when I
and
got
the US is
liquidated?
looking to sell
That's
$79 billion
crazy.
of 6-month
I'm
bills.
just, I don't know.
I think Iran always. I think like, dude, this has been the talking point with Iran for so long. They have nuclear weapons, dude. There's no way. There's no way. These Iranians are really smart. There's no way that they've been working on getting a nuclear weapon for this long and they haven't accomplished anything. They
I
have
don't know.
something.
I think they would have used it on Israel if they did
Stocks
have
of
it.
crude oil in the
I don't
US
think they would
SPR
have pulled
fell
any
by about
punches on that.
6.1 million barrels
I think they would
to
have went all in if they
298.7 million
to try to
barrels
wipe
last
them
week,
off the
the lowest
planet.
since 1983.
I can see that or the nuclear option, the last resort. But I mean, I think the reason why no one doesn't use nuclear weapons is because of the fallback. Everybody loses for real. It sets the world back. I mean, they're so close too. If they were to use that weapon, it would also affect them.
Yeah.
But I won't sit here and I won't believe that. They have something. They have something. Like I said, they're very smart people.
It would affect the surrounding countries, all the nuclear dust.
Mm-hmm.
We seen Chernobyl. They still ain't fully recovered from that. You go down there, it's still radiation. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Damn it, I should have, you know what? F this position, man. It's time I say F.
He's done it. He panicked so.
Nah, man, F this. I'm so tired of this. I'm tired of NQ lagging behind when I don't need it to, but then it like pumps when I don't know. I'm just tired of this.
Is this ES trader we're talking to now?
F the ES. I'll go to oil before I go to ES.
Damn. Oh.
Shoot. Oil.
Oh.
Oil, baby.
Oh.
This is why. Like just to see how far it's lagging behind too is just crazy to me. Crazy.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it's kind of crazy because the Nasdaq kind of just like I said, it's trading still within the initial balance. So, but I mean, if you look at a Nasdaq chart and an ES chart, obviously the structure is completely different for obvious reasons. I mean, that's the Nasdaq, and this is that Satan's wife, gold. But this is gold. This is ES. So the ES basically is literally just outperforming the Nasdaq right now. It's making higher highs, higher lows. Right now it's trading in a range after running liquidity above pre-market highs. But let me make sure.
Yeah, and I don't have my tool because I didn't pay the $200 for the data. I'm like, sheesh.
What tool are you talking about?
Remember the tool I built?
Oh yeah.
That has the futures data.
Mm.
Yeah, that was an experiment, and I hadn't paid the
5 minutes ago now to
the fee
get
to
the
play the
US
game.
3-month and 6-month bill auction
I'm like,
data.
that's crazy.
3-month private
guess
cover
if
of
you-
2.61, prior high yield of
got it like that,
3.75%,
and you
and 6-month bill private cover of 2.98, prior
Making
high yield of
profits every day.
3.855%.
Small fee. It ain't nothing. I'll make that back. And now Anthropic got a new version of Opus that's supposed to be better than Fable 5.
What's the one that comes with the subscription?
Sure. Like I said, they brought Fable back, but it's like credit based now, so you gotta buy credits to use it. And if you run out of credits, you gotta buy more just to keep on continuing using it. That was always their plan, though. Dang it, man. Alright. I just got cooked twice. Let me, close this before I get liquidated again. Dang shame.
Yeah, I'm about to get stopped out again.
Thought we had something special. Thought we were gonna at least go to VWAP. Good job, Rut-Kid.
Boy,
Although it
Rut-Kid.
did bounce back to your to your break even. NQ is just dirty. Cause it's like my thinking, I'm like, well, I don't want to bet against ES, and then ES should pull NQ along with it. You know? Just off of that alone.
Hopefully this is the push right here. Hopefully that's all it needed right there. It looks like that's a wick. That looks like a run on liquidity right there. Hopefully that's what it was. I'm going to hope.
Hopefully. Because, yeah, I'm in need of a lot of hope and prayer
See,
right
European
now
gas prices rise
that we
as much as
finally get to push
10.1%.
back up. All it needed was that wick down.
That's to about 61
Man,
euros
oh man.
14 cents per megawatt hour.
We need a prayer call, a prayer circle right now. Rut-Kid, take your profits, man. Take your profits, Rut-Kid.
Like, get out, Rut-Kid.
Take your
It's like, all right, I'm out. You can push higher now. And that's the thing with these shorts, though. Isn't this stressful? Because, like, yeah, say you in at 820. You get that push down, then it pops back up, goes back to like 800. And you're like, dang, now I'm only up 20 points when I could have been up 50, 60.
Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about, Alfred. I didn't say that. You must be hearing things. This must be some crazy audios coming through your speakers right now. I didn't say anything about taking profits. I didn't say that.
Surely expecting 3-month bill auction data and 6-month bill auction data.
Boltanoff, Rut-Kid closed. He's out.
Dump it.
Pump it. Oh yeah, they would dump it too. These shorts make you think like, all right, fine, I'm done. I'll take these little profits, and then it drops another 200-300 points without you. Yeah, you look at these ES and NQ charts, looks totally different. I just don't like it. What is going on in the market?
All right, I'll sit with you guys for a few more minutes and I get to this meeting. And I know as soon as I walk away from the desk, Trump candle down.
Maybe not. Trump candle up. Pump it. The straight is open. The straight is open.
The buyers are trying to buy here. I mean, at least, man.
I think we're kidding ourselves, Sherm. Unless ES pushes higher, we ain't going higher. ES literally has to put the market on its back.
Yeah, it looks like we could see a rejection at 91, 92-ish on the ES. It could. But the ES is kind of struggling, but the depth of market,
Damn.
about, there's not really a clear winner here. The sellers are selling. The depth of market shows that there's more selling pressure right now than buying pressure. But as you can see, we're seeing all this selling pressure, but we're not seeing no follow through. So I don't know what that means.
RIP. 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 Just killed the position. Yeah, it's like buyers don't want to take over from this area anymore. Like they don't think it's valuable enough. There's value here, buyers. Use this opportunity.
High yield for 3-month bill 3.735%, bid cover of 2.88, and 6-month bill high yield of 3.83%, bid
Guess you had
cover
to
of
accept it.
2.85.
I hate when other people are right and I'm wrong. Congratulations,
Yeah.
Rug Kid, if you held this. Being a stubborn bear worked out today.
So the US awards
Hooked again.
82.94% of bids at
That's
high.
Hmm. Oh yeah, we do have CPI this week. And we're back to, I mean, if y'all guys don't know the B story now, we're back to, is the Fed going to raise rates? We're back to that narrative in the market now. So just anything that would suggest that the market raise rates or that the Fed will raise rates, just understand that good news is bad news and bad news is good news again. That's the B story. The A story is the Strait of Hormuz and the military operation in Iran, even though they call it a war sometimes. But it's a military operation. But it's a war.
I mean, he's been holding rates. Trump wanted him to lower rates,
Yeah.
but then they're worried about inflation.
Yeah, they should just kept. Well, I think it was like I think it's more of a. I think it was probably like a political thing.
So also, Fazni is releasing the list then of the appointees by Supreme Leader.
Because this so far this new Fed has been super hawkish, and we're not hearing anything from Trump at all. He's been super hawkish, talking about, yeah, we're gonna raise these rates, damn it, if we got to. And that was the whole point. He got rid of Powell, so it had to have been something else. Because there's no reason. It would just look bad that you're just making all these bad decisions. Like the first big bad decision was the military operation in Iran. And it's just been downhill from there.
Ah, damn it.
Yeah, all right.
It's
Well,
could you?
All right. I mean, I have to accept that I have to get stopped out here. Or maybe not. Dude, Nasdaq, take me out of. Dude, if you're gonna do it. Shit. Damn. Nasdaq is so dirty for this, man. If you're gonna do it. Nah, Nasdaq wants me to move my stop so she can just flash crash down and
So also with the US
take more money
6-month
from me.
auction data, as said, came with a bid cover 2.98 and high yield of 3.83%.
I think we
Seeing
probably
here,
get
US
a-
Treasury 2 to 10-year
wick
yield
push
curve
down
hits
and
steepest
then
level
pop
since
back
late
up.
May, last at about 45.7 base points. Also, with the US 6-month bill, the US awards 96.11% of bids and high.
All right, there we go. See, Nasdaq, I've been with you so long. I know your ways. All right, guys. At least that's gonna be it for me. And then you're gonna bounce after you stop me out. Whatever, dude.
A wick push down. Bounce
Whatever,
back
dude.
up.
I think you're streaming right now, right?
I am.
All right. Well,
I'll just put as
head over to
those
Smith's
he's,
stream.
listed.
But that's gonna be it for me today, guys. I do appreciate everybody that joined us this morning. We'll definitely come back later on tonight, and we'll definitely look for more opportunities to earn some more money. With that said, peace out, everybody, and keep on jabbing.
Peace, my guy. Yeah, head over here if you want me to watch me get clapped in real time.